Good day everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the small Jshen approximations concept, whereby this chapter is under differentiation. Well, for this approximation concept, delta y by delta x will be approximate to dy by dx. So let's solve this example. We are going to add a ln to the in front of the functions to eliminate the e exponential. Afterward, can we factorize? Yes. We are going to factorize by using our calculator. After factorization process, now we can differentiate. The first step will be differentiating the function. So now we are going to differentiate ln function. So for this, we are going to differentiate by using the product rule, UV. What is UV? U dv by dx plus v du by dx will be equals to dy by dx. So now we are going to simplify it. So after getting the dy by dx value, we are going to move the delta value. Since we have obtained the dy by dx value, we can move either delta y or delta x, depends on the questions. But for this example, we are going to move delta y and delta x. So this is our value. Thank you and stay tuned.